Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Peacock Way. In today's mixed media project, I'm using this watercolor paper, and mainly I'll be using this Neocolor crayons for the background. So this is all about Neocolors, and I'll be using stamps and pens. So let's get started. I forgot to put the camera on, but just started coloring the background with crayons, and then I'm using this water brush. So I'm using crayons and then some water, and I'm trying to blend it. I'm going to dry it, and then again I'm going to color it. If you want me to put more videos like this, you can leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe, share, then click on the bell button and turn on the notification. So I'm going to do more shading and more colors. I'm going to dry it and then again color it. If you are not comfortable with crayons, you can even use watercolor, or even distress oxide spray is fine. Now I'm going to use this stamp. I'm going to use part of it, not the whole stamp, and I'm using archival ink. I had to press a little bit so that the ink goes into the paper. I see that it stamped well, but I still wanted it a little darker. So I'm going to first finish stamping, and then I'm going to see what I can do for making it dark. So I'm using this pen, and then I'm darkening a little bit, not everywhere but some of the places. I'm using another stamp. So I'm using part of it, not a whole stamp. Now I'm using this Stampers Anonymous stamps. I'm using this blue archival ink and stamping. I like to use different stamps on the page for certain projects, and I'm going to do some doodling. I see that my pen doesn't work, so I'm going to change the pen. Now I'm coloring the edges. I always do this step because it stands out. Now I'm going to dry everything. I'm using the pen and darkening it in certain places. You can skip this step if you don't want to do it. I'm giving some shade. Now I'm using this glitter, fine art glitter. It's from Folk Art. I'm just putting very thin coat. Now I'm going to stamp some flowers. These are like whimsical flowers. I'm going to stamp leaves and stem. And now I'm coloring with Neocolor crayons. I colored it and did the fussy cut off camera. Now I'm going to put everything together. I'm just going to leave with 3 leaves, and then I'm going to give some shading. Now for the quote I'm using, it's the little things that make life big. I'm going to put the outline, and I'm going to also after this use my black pen and put some dots, or you can also use you can splatter black paint. Then I'm using also again red Posca pen and doing the same thing. So this finishes my project. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn on the notification. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I hope you got inspired. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.